breaking through, understanding, I've hit the wall. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that you might have heard, I've hit the wall. It's a colorful expression that paints a vivid picture, but what does it actually mean? Stick around as we explore its meaning, usage, and origins. This will not only enhance your English vocabulary but also help you understand native speakers better. Let's get started. When someone says, I've hit the wall, they're not talking about physical walls. Instead, this phrase metaphorically expresses reaching a point of overwhelming exhaustion or inability to continue in an activity due to fatigue. It's commonly used in situations where someone feels they cannot proceed further because they've exhausted their resources, energy, or willpower. The origin of I've hit the wall is believed to be from the world of sports, particularly marathon running. Runners describe hitting the wall as the moment when they suddenly feel drained of energy, making it extremely difficult to continue. However, this phrase has transcended its athletic origins and is now used in various contexts, from professional environments to personal projects, indicating a critical point of exhaustion or a significant obstacle. To help you understand better, let's look at a few examples. In the workplace, after working on the project for 10 hours straight, I've hit the wall and need to take a break. Studying, I've hit the wall with my exam preparation and can't seem to absorb any more information. Creative projects, I was excited about painting this landscape, but halfway through, I've hit the wall and don't know how to proceed. These examples show how versatile the phrase is, applicable in any scenario where there's a limit to one's mental, emotional, or physical stamina. Now that you know what it means and where it comes from, let's practice using it. Expressing personal limits. I think I've hit the wall with this workout routine. I need something new. Acknowledging temporary defeat. We've hit the wall with our current strategy. It's time to rethink our approach. Notice how the phrase can be modified slightly to fit different subjects, like we've, for group situations. Understanding phrases like, I've hit the wall, can significantly enrich your English learning journey, making you sound more like a native speaker and helping you grasp the nuances of the language. We hope this video has shed light on this colorful expression and encouraged you to incorporate it into your conversations. Remember, language learning is a marathon, not a sprint, and it's okay to hit the wall sometimes. The important thing is how you find your way around it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.